Pandemic has forced other healthcare workers to find new ways of treating patients. News 10's Bree Shackelford has more from a local physical therapy practice and shares how it was impacted by the virus.
Some physical therapy clinics didn't close this year when COVID-19 first hit. Instead, many places adapted to their new normal. One of those places that had to adapt was Terre Haute Physical Therapy. At the beginning of the pandemic, the owner of Terre Haute Physical Therapy, Ashley Matchett, says he was very worried.
I'm worrying about how to keep my staff employed and keep them having some income and making sure the business is going to be feasible long term.
One way he says he was able to make sure his employees stayed busy was by not closing its doors completely. He says his staff still wanted to take care of its patients, but he knew it had to look a little different.
We provided some virtual therapy, but we were able to stay open and provide in-clinic therapy as well.
Matchett tells me now the virtual therapy option is rarely used. He says at the start many people were using that option, but as time wore on, more people started coming in. He tells me that one thing that gave him comfort through this challenging year was knowing he was still able to care for his patients.
There's a lot of challenges through your career and through different jobs, but when we're able to keep that primary focus on taking care of our patients first, I think that brings us the greatest joy.
Matchett says he's thankful to be able to help patients and still be able to keep them healthy. One of the ways he's doing that is by screening all his patients upon arrival. Reporting from the studio, Bree Shackelford, News 10.